kitchen, kitchen, toast, toast, utensils, utensils, seafood, seafood, brunch, brunch, party, party, appetizer, appetizer, napkin, napkin, tablecloth, tablecloth, tip, tip, bill, bill, waiter, waiter, serve, serve, mustard chicken, mustard chicken, noodles, noodles, roasted, roasted, salad, salad, sandwich, sandwich, booking, booking, condiments, condiments, salt shaker, salt shaker, bowl, bowl, beef, beef, chef, chef, ingredients, ingredients, manager, manager, table for, menu, menu, drink order, drink order, specials, specials, order, order, slice, slice, soup, soup, cutlets, cutlets, main course, main course, side dish, side dish, dessert, dessert, vegetarian, vegetarian, cashier, cashier, braised, braised, dine, dine, delicious, delicious, dishwasher, dishwasher, grilled fish, hamburger, hamburger, head waitress, high tea, leftover, leftover,